Scots, and welcome to the Carnegie Connection. Today is the first day of school, August 13th, 2020. I'm Mr. Knight here with the news because nobody else wanted to do work over the summer. All of us teachers are super excited to kick off this school year, and even though we'll be learning at a distance, we're ready to have an amazing time. For those of you who are new to Andrew Carnegie Middle School, welcome. And for those of you who are coming back, welcome back. We're glad to see you again. Remember that teachers will primarily be teaching through Google Classroom, and students are expected to log in every day to attend your classes. From there, teachers may ask you to go someplace else, so be sure to check with your teachers on Google Classroom. Students are also expected to check their student Gmail accounts regularly, since that is where you're going to find all kinds of communications from your teachers, so make sure you're checking your email. We also recommend that students clear out all of last year's Gmail messages and start this year with an empty inbox. I promise it's going to help make things a little less stressful when you're online. Parents, there is an excellent slideshow in various different languages that gives step-by-step instructions on how to log in and to navigate Google Classroom that was made just for you. Links to the different slideshows can be found in the comments below this video, so go check that out. Hey Scots, are you hungry? Beginning today, nutrition services will be distributing curbside meals at Carnegie. Meal service will be Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., not including holidays and non-instructional days. Meals will include breakfast and lunch for San Juan enrolled students. Remember though, meals can't be consumed on site and social distancing protocols must be followed at all times. Each student, parent, or guardian must provide nutritional service staff with the student name and district issued ID number. Meals will be charged based on the status of each student, free, reduced price, or full pay. Meal applications must be completed for the current school year. Applications can be completed online, or paper applications can be obtained at any meal pickup site and returned to any meal pickup site. If you've got any questions, you can direct those to the nutritional services contact information in the comments below. Families are invited to join our very own principal, Suzanne Ambrosini, via Zoom for a check-in after our first day of school. Today at 7 p.m., she'd like to welcome our Scots community, hear what went well on the first day, learn what could be improved, and get everyone acclimated to the distance learning model. Check for the invitation link on our school's website. Let's go see a quick message from our principal and vice principal right now.
Good morning, Scots. Principal Ambrosini here with the lovely
Mrs. Rainey, your vice principal.
We are so excited to welcome you to this 2020-21 school year. It's going to look a little different. We're here in the office getting ready to support you.
Welcome, Scots. We're so excited to have you back. And if you're new, welcome to our Scott family. We look forward to a great year.
We'll be talking to you frequently every week, pretty much, reaching out to your families, making sure everybody's connected. Your teachers are ready to go and super excited to meet you on Thursday. To meet you today.
Which is Thursday.
Have a great day, Scots. Have a great first week, and we'll see you around campus.
Welcome back, Scots. Boy, do we have a lot of information for you today. Schedules will remain intact for the first several days of school. So if you didn't get a requested class or you want to request a change, an online link will be made available on our website starting Monday, August 24th. You got to please keep in mind that requests are based on a number of factors that are not guaranteed. Requests for a different teacher will not be considered. Besides, I'm the only one who teaches computers, so you're stuck with me anyways. Do you need something from Carnegie? Families are strongly encouraged to call, email, or schedule Zoom meetings with the office staff and school administrators whenever possible rather than visiting the office. Carnegie staff can be reached at their regular phone numbers or at their email addresses. When it is necessary to visit, our office will be open from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. daily, but keep in mind that the office may be closed for 30 minutes to provide staff lunch breaks. There are a few important safety precautions you should know before visiting. Only the school office will be open. All other parts of the school campus will remain closed. Before visiting, you should be free of fever, cough, shortness of breath, or any kind of COVID-19 symptoms for at least 72 hours. You must maintain 6 feet of physical distance from other individuals. The number of individuals allowed in the office is limited to 3 people at any one time to allow for maintaining proper physical distancing. Face coverings are required at all times when waiting to enter the building or once inside. If you're outside on school grounds, a face covering is required if you are unable to maintain 6 feet of physical distance from other individuals. Whew, that's a lot of information. If families missed their scheduled day and time last week to pick up schedules and textbooks, to check out a Chromebook, or to pick up last year's yearbook, please call the office at 916-971-7853 to schedule an appointment to do so. You know, one thing that has been tough with social distancing is how hard it has been to celebrate birthdays, but we have got you covered. If you would like to order a birthday commercial for you or a friend, follow the link on our website down in the comments below and fill out the form. Now, I've got to stop you. It's too late to order a birthday commercial for my birthday tomorrow, but I do appreciate the thought. Before I go, I just wanted to remind every single one of you kids out there watching that you, yes, you, are the most important thing to us here at Carnegie, and all of the hard work your teachers have been doing this summer to prepare for you was because you are worth it. Let's make this school year the best ever. Have a great first day, Scots. We'll be back on Monday with another broadcast. Be sure to subscribe and don't miss it. Bye, Scots.